everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can auto-generate a to-do list. Really sweet, simple and straightforward. It'll be super easy and will be done within few minutes, so let's get started. So the first step that you need to do is get in a template block. For that you just type in the command prompt / and search in for the template block. It'll be right at the end, but just keep scrolling till you find it. Right about here. Right, we found. Okay. So now the next thing that you would want to do is change the button name. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, except for changing it to like the capital letters of the to-do list. I'm just gonna add this to it. So now you would have noticed it already comes with a checkbox. So I like to do this. You can skip this if you want. Going to add in a divider from the command prompt. Just drag and drop it in and just go ahead and close it. So the major part of the task is already done. So now next thing that I really like to do is add in the actual thing, that is the name of the to-do list. You can add in like notes or the to-do list. You'll know what I mean when I do this. Okay, so I'm just going to type in to-do list, and just, if you have seen my previous videos on how you can change fonts, so you'll know that. But all you have to do is just double click it, create equation, and then the curly braces / and that. And I'm going to use the function called mathcal. It's a really nice cursive handwriting. It's going to increase the size a bit, and this is in the video font size, so / large, have that large size. So the next thing that I'd really like to do is again / and now we are going to search in for toggle list. So just click on that. Now I want to add color to this. So what do you do when you want to add color to a toggle list? Just click on these 6 dots. When you hover over it, even for this you can hover over it and you can get the option. You can hover over it and you can search for color. I'm going to go for blue and just drag and drop it. Now everything is inside the toggle, so now you can just again hover over it, turn into and text. Now you can see that it's not quite rearranged as we would have imagined it in our heads. So now you can just rearrange. It's that simple. And now when you click on that, you have a nice to-do list. And if you want, like, you have 3 tasks for the day, now you already have 1, so you can just click keep doing that, and it will automatically generate it each time you click on this template button. So it's that simple, and you can just type in whatever you want, like groceries or I don't know. Yeah, but this is how you do a to-do list in Notion using a template button. It's really, really nice and sweet. And you can even add emojis to it, like, let's say. Yeah, there we have it. It's really nice and so cute. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.